There are 6 goals for wildlife conservation. The first one is to raise awareness or to increase public awareness about wildlife conservation and its impact on ecosystems. And then the second one is the habitat preservation, to advocate for the protection of natural habitats for the wildlife. And then the third one is the wildlife rehabilitation, to support initiatives for rescuing and rehabilitating injured or orphaned wildlife.
Fourth, anti-poaching efforts collaborate to combat illegal wildlife trade and poaching. Fifth, sustainable practices promote sustainable practices to minimize harm to wildlife habitats. Lastly, six, education and research to support programs to understand wildlife behavior and conservation strategies.
There are 6 action steps for wildlife conservation. The first one is awareness campaign. Conduct a workshop and campaign to educate communities about wildlife conservation. The second one is volunteer opportunities. Provide chances for individuals to volunteer in conservation projects. The third one is fundraising events. Organize events to raise funds for wildlife conservation.
Number 4. Collaboration with communities. Work with local communities to reduce human-wildlife conflicts. Number 5. Advocacy and policy influence. Engage policymakers with stronger wildlife protection laws. Number 6. Partnerships with organizations. Collaborate with conservation groups for effective efforts.